Have you ever wondered why meal recipes are so vague and baking recipes are so precise? For example, season steak with salt and pepper, sear on both sides, cook at medium till done. Versus add 2 1/3 cups flour with mixer at medium speed, slowly drizzle 3 tablespoons butter down the side of the bowl, let the batter rest 1 hour, bake at 425 degrees for 35 minutes. The reason is that cooking is closer to an art form and baking is a science. Well, the entire discipline of making food is science actually, but baking has a lot less leeway to it. If I wanted to cook up a steak for my lunch, I could season it with salt and pepper, or maybe add some herbs like thyme or rosemary. Maybe I cook it to rare instead of medium. Regardless of my choices, it's still a steak when I'm done. Now, if I want to bake bread, I have to make sure I proof the dough so it can rise, otherwise I've made matzo. I have to knead it to form gluten to give it structure, otherwise it'll collapse in the oven. I have to cook it at the specific temperature for the recipe, otherwise the chemical reactions needed to turn it from dough to bread won't happen properly. You can improvise with a lot of things in the kitchen, but when it comes to baking, follow the directions. And that's the juice.